I've rounded out the top 5 persuasion tricks to effectively build and keep customer loyalty. I will also share actual examples of how we use these psychological strategies in the resort business, resulting not only in customers that continuously patronize the brand, but also becoming advocates, influencing others to do the same. 1. Labeling. Use the label technique by acknowledging their decision to choose your product or service. In the resort business, we say something like, "Among the numerous beautiful resorts available, you chose to stay with us, so we truly appreciate it." In their minds, they're thinking, out of all the resorts in this world, I chose this one to spend my vacation at. It must be really special. Their subconscious will then come up with reasons why it's so exceptional, thereby reinforcing their decision and confirming to themselves that they made the right choice. 2. Momentum. People are more motivated to continue doing and finish what has already been started. This is a powerful tool to use when incorporating a loyalty or reward point system. In the resort business, we have tried an incentive program where we gave 1 point every time they check in. If they accumulate 10 points, they get a free overnight stay at one of our rooms. To initiate a sense of momentum, we gave them 3 points right off the bat in their initial visit. This gives them an immediate sense of progress and reward. By completing the initial stages, customers are more likely to continue booking, creating a positive cycle of engagement and commitment. 3. Customization. Personalization is key to fostering loyalty. Engage with your customers by asking about their preferences and needs. Then do what you can to cater to those requests. In the resort business, we ask guests for feedback on how we could make their next stay better. Usually, they would say the usual things like, "Just keep doing what you're doing." Occasionally, there are some odd little requests like ice cream for their kids. So the next time this guest checked in again with his family, we had those ice creams ready for them. They went, "Wow, you remembered." We did nothing out of the ordinary, but it left a lasting impression in their minds. By noting the small details and demonstrating a commitment to meeting individual requests, we not only created a unique experience, but also forged a deeper connection, increasing the likelihood of long-term loyalty. 4. Over-delivery. Start your relationship with customers on a high note by consistently over-delivering. If you exceed their expectations from the beginning, they are more likely to anticipate and appreciate the same level of service throughout their entire journey. This can include surprise upgrades or exclusive offers. In the resort business, when customers check in, we ask them for their contact number and email, so we can update them of surprises and deals reserved for VIPs like them. We use an autoresponder to collect emails, so we can email them simultaneously when we have a special VIP offer or surprise for them. Not only would this make them feel valued, but this has allowed us to build a database of raving fans and advocates. 5. Social proof. Leverage social proof as a powerful tool for building trust and loyalty. In the resort business, we give them a small incentive for showing us proof that they have followed our Facebook page. As you know, the more followers you have, the stronger your social proof. We also ask testimonials from past satisfied customers. Since they would want to be consistent with their kind words about their experience, they will continue to patronize us. Highlighting positive experiences also creates a sense of validation and trust, making other potential customers more likely to choose our brand. If this video has helped you in any way, then you'll be thrilled with Persuasion Secret Files, where I reveal 17 psychological tricks to get anyone to do anything. See description below to get it free. Watch this video next to discover how to use your eyes to persuade anyone and build trust.